In Odoo V19, you now have the ability to turn on the make to order function. Basically, what that means is that when you create a sales order, it will automatically create the manufacturing order or the purchase order that is related to that sales order. There is some settings that are required to set this up, so I'm going to go through and show you them now. So first of all, under our settings, okay, and then under our inventory settings, if we scroll all the way down to the bottom, you'll now see in V19 that there's a tick box. What this tick box does is turns on the ability to have make to order as one of your routes. And we can see that by going to our inventory application, and then under configuration and routes. And you'll see that my make to order route is there. Okay. So let's look at how this works. Under my products, I have two products. I have Alyssa MTO and I have Alyssa non-MTO. They're both set up exactly the same. They are a trackable inventory goods product type. I have a vendor price list under my vendor. The only difference is that for my make to order product, I have both the route I want, so in this case buy, and I have my MTO turned on, versus in my non-MTO product, you'll see I have only buy selected, not the MTO. So let's go raise a sales order. Okay, and I'm going to create a sales order for open wood. Okay. First of all, let's start with my non-MTO product. Okay, so I want one of those. It's going to cost me about $70. Okay, and I can go in and I can confirm this. Okay, so you'll see it's created a delivery. What it has also done is if I go to my replenishment report, okay, you will now see that it's added it into my replenishment report, and then I can go ahead and I can order that product, whether it's going to be multiple together or whether it's by itself. I can go through my replenishment process. Okay. So let's now go and create a sales order for my MTO product so that we can look at the differences. All right. So if I add in my MTO product, okay, let's say it's $70 again. All right. And I confirm this. You'll now see straight away that I have my delivery, but I also now have my linked purchase order. So instead of it pushing it into that replenishment screen, it is now creating my purchase order directly up top. Odoo also has the functionality to make to order and make to stock. So if you are interested in the process whereby it takes it from stock, or if there's none available, it will create that purchase order. Feel free to reach out to Business Solutions and we'd be more than happy to help you. Hope this video helps.